Hello everyone, this is Zach here from Trade BSA. So today this short video here, just want to go through this counter from NYSE. This is ROBLOX Corporation, RBLX. So we do see a nice gap up. Actually, this is like a few weeks ago. This is back to 9th of November. Okay, a nice gap with a pretty good volume after a series of accumulation. So a kind of like healthy kind of accumulation. Of course, we got low volumes over here, but didn't follow through. Okay, price trading very close to 2040s. Okay, we got the NSSL strength before they make a big movements, gap up with of course this is kind of high volume. So price goes up, okay, and subsequently we do have a high bar. Okay, sorry, it's a down bar, high volumes. Okay, so volume is pretty high, but of course it's not the highest. So I don't think this is considered like a climactic volume that having a sign of distribution, but potentially I do think that it have a chance to retest back to the gaps area, okay, because of the high volume on the widespread bar. Okay, now we look into a small time frame because again sometimes we want to look into a small time frame for more clues. Okay, and let's see what is the things that we can pick up from here. So obviously the red pentagon already turned in the small time frame. Okay, so again same things over here. If you notice the gaps, okay, it come with NS. Okay, so what is actually NS? For those that who don't know, NS is means is no supply. So whenever there's NS, there's a chance for a stocks to build a support level. Okay, so in this case over here, I think this is potentially a good support, and also it actually very close to the gaps. So we have a one UT over here. If you look into closely into this hourly, sorry, the 4 hour charts, okay, followed by a one spread down bar. So it's a combination of some weakness. Okay, so uptrust representing, of course, uptrust high volume. If let's say the price is very far from 2040s, it's always a sign of a chance of distributions. Okay, so followed by red pentagons. So I guess probably it will probably retest. Okay, somewhere around near to the NS level. Okay, so of course for those that who are looking for entry, um, probably is that you think is that they got a chance to make a nice follow through later on. So I think it's a good time for you to look for a deeper pullbacks area. So probably what I do is that I'm going to aim somewhere around the NS area. Okay, so not only that, but I want to see that it's a complete pullback with green pentagon. So which means they goes up like this. Okay, goes up like this. It hits. Okay, again, I'm not sure whether what is the price that will stop. So, okay, hopefully we got more south strength later on. Okay, and it turns back to the green pentagon. So it's just like a complete pullback pattern. Okay, to ensure that we are trading in the right directions. Okay, so hopefully we'll see that pattern soon. And if let's say there's any changes in terms of the chart setups for Roblox, we'll probably will give an updates soon. Okay, so thank you for watching.